Frank, I can't believe the day is finally here. The day I call you my husband.
The first day we met, we had a good time. We had a couple of drinks and we hit it off. Ever since then, we've been inseparable. I love spending every moment with you.
Listen, time's ticking.
Even if we can't see. Look, Reggie, with this new picture.
Your Uncle Frank is gonna love the way you look.
Oh, we get married.
I want you to know how much I love you and how truly grateful I am every day to have you in my life. You mean the world to me. I could not have wished for a more perfect man.
In disguise, hidden from our eyes. Just hold on deeply, breathe safe.
I love the way she fills the room. I love the way she makes me feel when we're together. She's an exciting person. There's no one else I want to spend my life with but Maria. That's it. So I made up my mind. I'm with you, honey.
Teamwork. One button left.
You make me look forward to every day spent with you. I can't wait to see what our future holds. I know it will be amazing, as our relationship has been. I am your forever Bonnie, of always your wife.
Through the clouds, even if we can't see down. We can never turn around. We'll make our way through the clouds.
Well, today, hopefully everything goes as planned. The weather does kind of suck, but you're making it beautiful, the way you're dressed and everything. And for the future, well, it's a long future we're gonna have together. And hope to make beautiful babies too.
I just can't wait to see him.
Kiss her?
Oh, yes. You look so handsome.
We are gathered here today to be witness to this ceremony, celebrating the love and commitment that Frank and Maria have for each other.
We enter into each other's lives and experience love and happiness.
Today I am confirming my promise for all of my life to love and respect you,
To be faithful and honest with you. To give you encouragement, strength, and trust.
to stand together in our times of joy and sorrow.
I pray that our home will be one of love and understanding and patience.
Not to remain the same, but to grow better and stronger with the passing of time.
And through the love we have for each other, our lives will become joined with times that we shared.
And we will be more complete by memories ahead.
I am promising you this day forward that I will be your husband,
That I will be your wife.
to walk with you throughout all our tomorrows.
I love you.
you.
Frank, do you take Maria to be your wedded wife?
I do.
Do you take Frank to be your wedded husband?
I do.
Do you promise here today that you will be to her a faithful, loving, and devoted husband?
I do.
Do you promise that you will love, honor, and cherish him all the days of your life?
I do.
Now you are two persons, but there is one life before you. Now, by the powers vested in me, it is my honor and it is my great pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife. Frank, you may kiss your bride.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. About to start the show, better take your seats. It's been a while, but I'm back on top. To the world is mine, I don't plan to stop. It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake the room, we're gonna hold it night.
Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other.
Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud? This is how we get down. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet, get on out the door, take it to the street.
Guys, Elvis is in the building, okay?
Hey everyone, I'm Betty, one of Maria's older sisters.
Something that you won't forget, It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake the room, we're gonna hold it night. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I would like to congratulate Frank and Maria on their beautiful day. Bless you guys.
Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud? This is how we get down. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Frank, you met a nice girl. She's adorable just like you are.
Maria and I grew up. We are very, very close, and I want to congratulate these two. I am so happy, and I hope I don't start crying.
It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake the room, we're gonna hold it night. Are you ready? 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 Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud? This is how we get down. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Frank is one of the nicest guys you'll ever meet. He's always there when you need him, and when you don't need him, he's always there.
No words to say just how I feel. No way to say that in my eyes. You're the brightest light burning tonight. You got the flame, you got the fire. You got the love to lift me high. You got the light to shine brighter. When I'm with you, the world's lost. When I'm with you, the fireworks go.
I just want to say my sister is the most amazing person anyone could ever meet and have as a sister and as a best friend. Frank as well. I'm so happy to call him my brother-in-law. He is amazing. I love him to death, both of them.
I wish you guys all the best. Have a lot of kids, and God bless you guys.
I wish them many, many years of happiness, and I can't wait for the babies to come along. I mean, I wish them nothing but the best.
We made it, honey bunny. The day we became Mr. and Mrs.
I love you today, I love you tomorrow, and I will always love you.
We may not have it all together, but together we have it all.